Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be getting ready for date night. So let's start with our makeup. I'll be applying a concealer all over my eyelid first to cover any darkness. Then I'll blend it using a damp beauty blender. I hate this beauty blender so much because you can see as soon as I started blending, all the product got disappeared. So I had to reapply my concealer and then again I'll blend it. Now I'll take the lightest shade from this palette and apply it all over my eyelid to set my concealer. You can use compact powder also or any translucent powder also. Then from this palette I'll be taking this brown shade and apply it all over my crease area as a transition shade. I'll be doing really simple smoky eye type makeup. Then from the previous palette I'll be taking black shade and applying it on the outer corner of my eyes and blend it towards the inside with really light hand. Now I'll take this champagne shade from Colourpop and apply it all over my eyelid. I'll leave the name of each and every product in the description box below. I applied using my fingertip. Now I'm blending everything in with a fluffy brush so that there is no harsh line. Now using a now I'll apply liner using a pen liner. I'll be making a wing eyeliner. I'm making wing eyeliner after a long time, so I hope it will come out equal. I find it easy to make a wing eyeliner with pen liner. Now I'll apply mascara. I won't be applying any false lashes, only mascara. Now let's correct all the darkness around the under eye, nose and upper lips using orange corrector. I'll be using the small flat brush for applying the corrector under my eye and all the dark area, and then I'll use a damp beauty blender to blend it out slightly. Now let's apply foundation. I'll pump few drops directly on my face and apply and blend it with beauty blender. I'll keep dabbing until and unless everything becomes flawless. Now let's apply concealer under our eye and all the dark areas like upper lips and side of the nose, and then I'll be applying contour. Now I'm applying cream blush and then I'll start blending everything. I always start by blending the lightest first, like my concealer, and then I move towards my blush and contour. As you can see, at this stage you will feel that I have applied too much of the blush, but just trust the process because I will be settling everything with slight of foundation again to blend everything together. So you will see. Now I'm using a bit of foundation to blend everything together. I just took few drops of foundation on the back of my hand, and now I'm using a setting powder to set everything at place. You can use compact also. Now I'll be using this palette to bronze my face. I am using the lightest shade of the bronzer from the palette, and with a very light hand I'll be bronzing my face. And then I'll use this peach shade as my blush with very light hand, and this champagne shade for my highlighter. This is all-in-one palette. Now I'm setting my face with setting spray and blend everything in with the beauty blender so that the makeup melts in and does not look harsh. Now I'll be applying kajal in my waterline and a bit below the waterline to give the smoky effect, and blend it with a flat brush. Then I'll be reapplying a bit of mascara. As I told you, I won't be applying any false lashes. Now I'll change my dress and they'll complete my rest of the look. So I'll start by wearing my earrings. These are from Keemti In. Like the site name is keemti.in something. I'll leave the link for it down below. Then I'm applying body shimmer. It gives very subtle shimmer, not anything loud. Then I'll be applying a red lipstick. Like it's black dress, so red is a classic combo to go with it. It's from Glamm. Earlier I used to love their lipstick, but now when I ordered it again, I feel as if it is a bit dry and hard to apply, but it stayed for a long time. So now I'll be applying my perfume. And this is the complete look. I hope you liked it. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel and do like the video. Bye.